nerdy dude stuff.
Same happy dad as yesterday because I'm trying not to drink too much to lose weight.
Bink! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, 2 days in a row, this time on plug and play mining, DIMO, because we've got some more updates for you and all that good stuff. I'm O'Price, nerdy dude. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider subscribing, turning on the bell notification, liking this video, all that jazz. Anyway, let's just get right to the content. So yesterday, we did a video showing you guys how to bridge DIMO tokens on MetaMask from the Polygon network to Ethereum, and it was going to cost like $55, $56, $57, $58, $59, $60, $75. Now, I'm going to be very clear and honest and transparent. I didn't really know any other methods, and this is why I do enjoy this is another reason out of the multiple benefits of doing content that I enjoy having a community and a Discord, link for that's in the description, is that I could post these things and someone can go, actually, there's an easier way. So, with that said, there is an easier, cheaper way. I tested it on my mobile phone, on the mobile app, and I'm going to actually bumble through this today live, well, recording it on screen to go step by step. Instead of you guys just seeing like, yeah, you do this, you do that, blah, 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 blah. This is going to be a raw, going in, and video of straight up start, copy and paste, follow these steps if this is something you want to do. This is all going to be on the PC. This is all going to be on Google Chrome. But if you want, there's also an app for everything we have here. This is going to be an absolute banger of a way to cash out your DIMO tokens on the spot without having to spend any crazy transaction fees. If I wanted to cash out 530 DIMO tokens last night, it was going to cost 14 cents, 15 cents, which is a lot better than the 56 cents. So as you get more DIMO and you want to take some profit, this is going to be the way that I'm going to be doing this in the future. Screw MetaMask. So let's just jump right in and set up Rainbow Wallet on our Google Chrome, and we'll go from there. Of course, before we get to the topic, we have to do a call to action. I was informed that the DIMO shop is sold out of the DIMO devices that you see on screen here, the Macaroon and the AutoPi, but Helium Mart still has those. If you want to scoop one of those up, then make sure you use the link in the description below with the code NERDYDUDESTUFF. Once you have all that, of course, I want to promote my referral code for the DIMO app. That way I get 50 DIMO, you get 50 DIMO for signing up once you link your first device, and that right now is sitting at over $20 with the current price at 41 cents of the DIMO token. So you purchase from Helium Mart, you save a little bit using code NERDYDUDESTUFF, and then you get the DIMO referral for the 50 DIMO while supplies last. You get another $20, $21. You're already saving and profiting and ROIing quick. So click the links below. All right, let's just get right into this now. This is going to be flying blind, setting up our DIMO wallet in the Rainbow wallet on Google Chrome. Fresh start. None of it. I already have it on my phone. I already have it here ready to go so I can transact on the fly in case I ever need to. But this is for you guys. There is an app for this, so blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so all I did was I just straight up went to Rainbow wallet. I did a Google search, but I'll probably leave a link in the description of this video below so you can just click on it and it takes you right to the Rainbow wallet download. And the first one right here is rainbow.me. We're going to go right into that. So once we're in here, experience crypto in color, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, whatever. You can either download the extension or download via mobile. I'm going to right click on mobile, or I'm going to mouse click on mobile just because I wanted to go down and showcase that they have the mobile app for iOS and Android. Of course, I have it for iOS. I put mine on dark mode because light mode is for heathens. But anyway, let's go back. We can even click it there. Download Rainbow extension. So we're going to click on that, and the Rainbow's going to shatter. So we've got Chrome, Brave. You guys remember Brave? I was big on Brave for a while. I don't think I have it on this PC, but I probably should get it back since it's a great way to earn passive crypto as a content creator. Edge, Firefox, Arc, and Safari, which Brave and Firefox essentially the same kind of looking thing. Anyway, Chrome, we're going to click on the Chrome extension, and of course if there's anything that goes on my screen here, I'll just kind of blur it out or try to make a mental note while I'm doing this. We're going to add to Chrome. We're going to add the extension, and then I believe after a second here, yep, so it's downloading right up, and then, yep, there it is, boom. Cool. All right, so we are going to import or connect a wallet. Don't create a new wallet. I mean, you can if you want to use it for other stuff, but this is strictly for DIMO. This is strictly for DIMO purposes. And I actually think I want to get the extension and pin it. There we go. Boom. So we're going to pin our Rainbow. Where is it? Right, where is it? Didn't I just pin it? Boom. There we go. All right, we're going to pin our extension up here just so we always have access. We got our Tron link, which we haven't used, or BNB, which we could probably remove because we use MetaMask, and then other stuff for Kadena Mining Club, and then Rainbow. So we're going to import or connect a wallet. So we're going to click that. Import with a secret recovery phase or a private key. And we're actually going to do that off screen, but just to show on the app, after you guys have registered, downloaded the app, signed up, and then used my referral code, you're going to go into your settings. I did this in the video yesterday, so I'm going to try to just squeeze through this, make sure I enlarge myself. You're going to go down to the account settings, which is right here, and then you're going to go to export wallet right here. You're going to click on that. It's going to give you some warnings. Never show your private key, never give it to anybody, make sure no one's looking over your shoulder, so on and so forth. You're going to hit got it, and then you're going to hit show private key, which is that button right there. It's then going to populate your private key right here, which you're going to then, click and access, and we're going to close that out so I don't hit anything stupid, and we're going to shrink ourselves back. So now whatever you guys need to do to get your private key over, whether you want to do it manually, like copy it, I don't highly recommend that. Well, I mean, you could, because it'll fail. It's a private key. If you don't get it right, it's going to fail. You won't import it, but do it however you feel safely and securely to get it here. So we're going to import with a secret recovery phase or a private key, import from a private key, and I'm actually going to do this off screen now. I might have typed my private key into a notepad note, which I'm going to delete here immediately. If I, actually copy it like I should. Paste, import. Once you import, you're going to get a screen. I could show this screen real quick. Once you import, you're going to get a screen that looks like this, where it says create a password. We're going to create our password. Make sure, you use capitals, lower cases, symbols, numerics, blood samples, all that shenanigans. We're going to set the password, and then to open Rainbow, we can do Shift-Alt-R. So, all right, let's bring this back on over, and everything looks good. Rainbow is ready to use. To access your wallet, just click Rainbow and the extension up here, or you can do Shift-Alt-R. So, awesome. So, we are going to just close that, and we can do Shift-Alt-R. And there's our Rainbow wallet right here. So we did import our DIMO. We've got a little bit of Matic. Oh, man. Holy crap, DIMO's going crazy. Here I have 539 DIMO. Last one I checked yesterday, it was only like 220-something. What is DIMO at right now? I mean, I know with Bitcoin and the news that happened yesterday, everything's exploding. I see what Sol's at, too. I have like 60 cents. Holy butts. That's up 46% since yesterday. Whoa. Now it's down. Wow. Holy butts. So that means that with every referral sign up, you guys and myself, we're going to just do the current price. We're getting $30 towards, wow, with the device only being $100 unless you get the big boy. But that's $30 off the DIMO token. That's insane. Anyway, that's not what this video is for. So this looks very similar to the mobile app, which I'm going to pull up right here. Wow. I just haven't looked at my crypto all day today. I can't wait to, maybe later. I can't wait to look at my Sol, see how that's going. But you can see it kind of looks the same here. I've got my NFTs for my one vehicle, and then I'm going to have a second vehicle starting tomorrow. So tomorrow's video, maybe Saturday. No, maybe Sunday. It's probably going to be tomorrow. I'll have to do it depending on what time my second DIMO gets in tomorrow. I can get a second video up showing how to set up a second vehicle. Otherwise, we're going to have to wait till Sunday. But anyway, very, 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 very simple. So you got your DIMO. You're going to hit swap right here. You don't want to swap it from Matic, so we're going to swap our DIMO. We're not actually swapping, because if I swapped yesterday at 40 cents, now it's up to 60 cents. Holy butts. So we're going to select our, Matic, because we're on the Polygon network, and we're going to select our Matic here. Let's just say we're going to swap all of it. 539 DIMO is going to give us 341 Matic, and that's going to be sitting at just 6 cents, and do the transaction in 6 seconds. I want to do it normal. If I want to do it fast as fuck, boy, it's also going to be 3 seconds for 6, and then urgent 7 cents in 3 seconds. We're not going to do that. You're going to hit review. It's going to process, and then it's going to move it forward. And you see there's a little bit of slippage there because we go from 327 to 315 in rough value, negative 0.04% on that. But yeah, so that's how you're going to switch, and then you're going to have your Matic, and you're going to pull up your Coinbase account. You're going to send your Matic to your Coinbase account, and then you're going to just cash out if that's the route that you want to go, or you can just hold on until this gets to like $5 a pop. That's going to be insane. Absolutely bananas bonkers. So very, very simple. Probably a link. Is there availability to put a link in the description? Yeah, I think I can. I could put a referral link in the description for you guys for this, so that way you don't have to go to Google and then type in blah 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 to get it going. So Very, very simple, very easy. Much better than yesterday's video. Ignore yesterday's video. Just go like and thumbs up on it and say, hey, watch today's video. That way it gets interactivity stuff and things and stuff. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram, Twitter, Discord, all that stuff that I have to say. If you guys have any other better, simple, faster, stronger ways to do these kind of things, leave them in a comment below or reach out to me on Discord, because that's how I discovered the Rainbow Wallet. And I went from saving $56 to doing a transaction only spending like 6 cents. Which is absolutely awesome. So, once again, like I was stating in that little middle rant there, if I do get the DIMO, the second device, the macaroon, at a reasonable time tomorrow, because I do play poker on Friday nights, then I will do a second video or another video showing how to set up a second vehicle on your devices. Otherwise, we'll probably have to wait until Sunday. I'll probably pre-record, or maybe if there's anything I need to record. Otherwise, Sunday's video will be showing, or at least walking through, how to set up another vehicle on the same account so that way you can start building your fleet. I'm also thinking of like looking into getting like a car that's older than 2008 that I can probably rent on Turo, putting a DIMO in there, renting on Turo, and making side passive hustle. I don't know. Anyway, all that stuff. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, all that YouTube stuff. I'm O'Prius. We'll see you guys next time.